etc. So I will be taking my car to get tuned by him. I had to end up buying a little laptop, as you can see right here, so I can use some old software, which is the Greddy eManage. Alright, so this right here is the Greddy eManage Ultimate. I'm just opening up the options: airflow adjustment map, boost limiter cut setting, anti-engine stall setting. Then you go down to the injectors folders. It has injector adjustment map 1. Then you have acceleration injector adjustment map. Then you have the other folder, ignition, and there you have ignition adjustment map 1, acceleration ignition adjustment map, water temp ignition adjustment map, and intake temp ignition adjustment map. So I'm not really too familiar on adjusting the settings on these. So if you click the little car, that's also to adjust the parameters for the vehicle, what kind of vehicle it is. It goes more into detail right there. So this is more for the tuner to mess with. I really don't know too much about it, just the basic stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna try to read the manual a bit and see if I could get more informed with it. So I just recorded this so you guys can have an idea of what I'm working with. Here is the boost reference hose. It is connected. There's some flashlight in there, if possible. Everything's connected there. The hose is a little flimsy though. I don't know if that can be the issue. Not really high quality. But anyway, zip tied it through there. All the way down, and then it goes around. As you can see, it goes under the turbo. Okay, so that right there is the line. I know it's hard to see, but we'll wiggle it. And it's not leaking at all. So yeah, the wastegate is right here on the turbo. Besides that, everything else seems connected.